Hey guys, I'm Henry from PowerProbe, and today we're here to talk about our circuit tester range, starting from the PP4 all the way to the Maestro. So the PP4, this is our bread and butter. I'm sure you all know what this tool is. So essentially, you can give ground, you can give power, activate components, use it as a test light, circuit tester, all your basic circuit testing abilities, continuity, all that fun stuff. The PP4EZ expands on that with a LCD screen that is a little bit brighter and bigger, as well as the ability to flip the screen. In terms of capability, these are both 12 to 24 volts, and they will show a maximum of 70 volts on the screen. And that's just measurement. Like I said, it'll only give up to 24 volts. The next tool, the PP4, adds more of a multimeter capability in your hands. So this tool adds resistance measurement, injector testing, as well as ability to measure up to 200 volts. This tool is super accurate, and like I said, it is come in handy a lot, and it's more of your multimeter all-in-one in your hand. The next step is the Maestro. The Maestro is our top dog. The top dog essentially has a larger screen, the ability to Bluetooth to any device that you'd like if you want to display the screen, as well as a lot of the basic tests that you saw in the PP4, like injector testing. The big thing, though, is that it has an oscilloscope-like mode. And I say like because if you have an oscilloscope, you know that is very fast. You have a wired connection, everything is as fast as can be. We are translating that waveform from the tip of the tool. So it has a slight delay. However, if you are looking for dropouts in crank sensors or anything similar like that, it's going to show exactly what you need to see to know that you have to replace that sensor or whatever it might be without having to pull 30 minutes worth of tools out, whether it's looking for it, finding it under someone's bench, or setting it up. So yeah, this is our circuit tester lineup. I'm sure you guys have some questions. If you do, drop them down below and we'd be happy to field them. Have a good one.